Hello! LPS Rules 2271 here, and I know what you're thinking. Where are the headphones? Well, they're off. Yeah. So no worries, I'm just gonna hold the mic. I'm just gonna hold the mic here. But anyway. Okay. I'm gonna give you a little update on my new series, my first series actually. Let me find my yes. Anyway, so yeah, you get it. You get the concept. Yeah. Alright, it's about a young girl who's going through foreclosure and, you know, can't get out of it and needs to get money. And the only way is to buy animals and crop seeds and plant the crop seeds and raise the animals. And then kill the animals eventually, even though she's an animal lover. And it's really hard for her, I think. Well, it would be for me, because I love animals and I love food. So I wouldn't, I wouldn't really sell food or animals if I had to, or kill them at all. And she's the same way. She loves animals. I wouldn't say food, but yeah, it's mine. It's my series. Okay, it's just wrong. It's wrong for you to criticize me like that. But anyway, I haven't gotten any comments. People, I mean, I've only gotten 4 views on my videos. I mean, come on, man. It's bad. I mean, I want comments. I'll just put my motto aside if you don't have anything good to say. If you have something bad to say or whatever, don't comment it. I'm gonna put that aside. Comment. I don't care if it's a bad comment. Just comment. I don't care if you don't rate. I don't care if you don't subscribe. I mean, just give me a mere comment, would ya? I mean, how bad is that? YouTube, I click you. Well, I'm not really finished. I don't know. But YouTube, I click you. Goodbye.